Joining us for a conversation is Michael Thompson, the CEO of Kesselrun Resources. Mr. Thompson, welcome to the show, sir.
Thanks for having me.
Great to have you in the program as Kesselrun has announced today the discovery of what looks to be a potential second high-grade structure on the flagship Huronian Gold Project. Before we begin, Mr. Thompson, please introduce us to Kesselrun Resources and the opportunity the company presents to shareholders.
Thanks. Kesselrun Resources is a mineral exploration company. Our flagship property is the Huronian Project, a former producer, high-grade producer, has a historic resource on it. It's located in Northwestern Ontario, a prolific gold district, just west of Thunder Bay.
All right, Mr. Thompson, let's go on site to the Huronian Gold Project and share the exciting news you have for shareholders.
Thanks, Maurice. So our 3 drill holes we just released on the Fisher Zone, we've discovered a new high-grade chute. We had been suspecting it was there. Our model had it just to the southwest of the original high-grade chute. We drilled 1 hole in 2020. I got a sniff of it, but nothing substantial as far as gold grades. We followed up earlier this year at the beginning of the 2021 program with 2 more holes. Again, good sniffs, good alteration, but nothing substantial. But my geologists are persistent. They were convinced it was there, and followed up with hole 67, and we hit 6.6 grams over 10 and almost 10 and a half meters. Based on the visuals, because we didn't have the assays at that time, they put 2 more holes in, which was 68 and 69, and so we were quite excited, quite happy with the results. And yeah, this is a game changer for the zone and for Kesselrun.
By chance, could you share those result numbers with us on 68 and 69?
Sure. 68 is 5.8 grams over 4.6 meters, including 15.8 grams over 1.6 meters. 69, 6.4 grams over 6.7 meters, including 113 grams over 0.3 meters.
Now, do you have any core images that you can share with us?
So here's some pictures from 69. It was a nice bit of visible gold. You can see the scale, 1 centimeter there, and 2 centimeters here. We don't see visible gold very frequently on the project. It's usually quite small and disseminated through the zone. So this was quite exciting to see, and I think shows the veracity of that structure. It's a we call a pregnant system.
Michael, you stated in the press release that today's announcement has the potential to be a game changer. Just what exactly has your team optimistic about the potential discovery of this second high-grade structure?
Well, Maurice, the model suggested that we built suggested there should be multiple of these Huronian-type structures crossing the Fisher Zone and resulting in multiple high-grade chutes. Now, we had a sniff to the northeast here with a good hit, but 5.3 grams per ton over 3.3 meters. But the bigger structure that we suspected to the southwest, we were still working on, and finally we identified. So this proves the thesis of the model, that there's going to be multiple high-grade chutes on this zone. And so it's changing the nature of the zone. Instead of just one sort of high-grade chute with some lower-grade mineralization on strike. Now we're looking at a periodicity we think of about 100 meters. That's our model suggesting there should be a high-grade chute every 100 meters for quite a distance of strike length.
How does today's announcement impact the future modeling, targets, and drilling?
Well, now we've got a handle on how the structures are behaving and which direction they're plunging. So now we can start more aggressively targeting these down plunge and adding volume to the mineralized zone.
Now, before we leave the project, sir, how far along are we in the current drill program, and when can the market expect to see the next round of results?
Well, we're about 8,000 meters into the 20,000 meter program, fully funded. So, and results, are trickling in. The labs are quite backed up. Generally speaking, we're looking at 8 week turnaround times. So basically, we just put results out as they come in, as soon as we can reasonably get them out.
Let's look at some numbers. Sir, please provide the capital structure for Kesselrun Resources.
So we're trading at just about 20 cents a share, give or take. 74 million shares approximately outstanding, 93 million fully diluted, market cap 13 million.
Mr. Thompson, what would you like to say to shareholders?
Well, I think shareholders should keep their eye out and pay attention to the market. We're going to be putting out news on a regular basis, approximately every 2 to 3 weeks. But as I said, I will put out news as soon as we get it. So keep an eye out for good news going forward.
Last question, sir. What did I forget to ask?
Well, we're undervalued. We're working hard to get the story out, and I think we'll see good things in the future.
Speaking of that valuation, we added to our position in the last 30 days, and I only plan to add to my position throughout the year as we have full confidence in the business and geological acumen that has been superbly demonstrated, in our opinion, by Kesselrun Resources. Mr. Thompson, thank you for coming on the show on such short notice. For someone that wants to learn more about Kesselrun Resources, please share the website address.
Thanks, Maurice. www.kesselrunresources.com.
Mr. Thompson, always a pleasure to speak with you. Wishing you and Kesselrun Resources the absolute best, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.